You just got separated from your group. Your gear's gone, no cell signal. It's you and the wild. Nature's fire kit? That's pine sap and cattail torch. See this pine sap? It's survival gold. Heat it on a flat rock, coat a cattail, and boom, instant torch or emergency fire starter. It burns hot, fast, and lights up your night. Waterproof, stormproof matches, DIY style. No wax, no problem. Coat matches in pine sap, makes them waterproof, windproof, and ready to roar. Now you've got stormproof matches, the natural way. Wild water hack, the vine tap. Thirsty? Look for grapevines in spring. Cut a notch, clean drinking water flows out. But triple check your plant ID or you're sipping trouble. Mosquitoes can wreck your sanity. Here's the fix. A can, coals, and pine needles. It smolders, smokes, and tells bugs. You're not invited. Make a few and surround your camp. No lighter? Use the sun. A water bottle can focus light just like a magnifying glass. Aim it on dry cedar bark. Wait for smoke. Fire from thin air. Got a plastic tent stake? It's not just a stake. It's fuel. Shave it like a feather stick, ignite it, and boom, instant flame, even in wet conditions. No pot, no problem. Burn a hole to a log, heat rocks and fire, drop them into the water, wait for that rolling boil. Now it's safe to drink. Rotten wood plus fire equals your next fire starter. Char it, bury it, dig it up later, and boom. Add a spark and it lights like magic. Think of it as natural char cloth. The best survival tricks aren't just cool. They save lives. And when you pair knowledge with gear, you're unstoppable. Check out our field-tested Blackout kits, fire starters, and survival gear at alwaysbereadyusa.com. Use code FRIEND10 for 10% off. Always be ready. Because survival isn't a hobby, it's a mindset.